If you want more views on your videos, you need better thumbnails. They're like the book cover or movie poster for your video, the first impression that determines whether people click or scroll past. And here's the thing, with this 5-minute thumbnail hack, you don't need to be a designer to make scroll-stopping thumbnails that get clicks. It's easier than you think, so let's dive in. Thumbnails are literally the gatekeepers to views. Think of your thumbnail as a handshake. It's the first thing a viewer sees before they even know what your video is about. A bad thumbnail means fewer clicks, and fewer clicks means less views. You don't need to be an expert designer to fix this. Follow the 5-minute hack I'm about to show you and you will instantly improve your click-through rate. Have you ever created a thumbnail that you thought would perform well but didn't get the clicks you thought you would? Drop your best thumbnail tip below. I read every comment and I might feature your question in a future video. And if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can properly plan your thumbnails and script your videos to grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link below in the description of the video. Humans connect with humans, period. And boring faces just don't get clicks. Studies show that thumbnails with faces and real emotion often perform significantly better. People are drawn to eyes, expression, and emotion. So shock, excitement, curiosity stops the scroll. It really makes people wonder what is going on in this video. So using Canva, drag your photo in, click edit photo, and use the background remover tool. Then zoom in slightly on your face and bump up the contrast to make your emotions really pop. And then add a colored outline to add an extra punch. You can grab attention fast without resorting to clickbait. This alone can double your click-through rate because people feel connected when they see you. So why start from scratch when you can model what's already working? The best creators on YouTube do not guess, they model. Look at thumbnails that performed way above average. This is what we call outliers. And then you're gonna study what made them click-worthy. Was it the face, the color, the intrigue? Take notes. Open a few outlier videos in your niche, screenshot the thumbnails, and drop them into a thumbnail swipe file. Then open Canva and model the emotion, style, and layout. Not copy, but model. This shortcut can seriously save you hours and instantly align your thumbnails with what the algorithm already favors. Thumbnails that are too cluttered with text kills clicks. Think of it this way, thumbnails are not blog posts. You need 1 to 3 words max, big bold fonts, and left-aligned text so that the YouTube timestamp does not cover it. In Canva, choose fonts like Anton or Leek Spartan. Set the text to the left side and keep it short. A perfect example is 5-minute hack. Clean text makes it instantly readable even on tiny screens, boosting clicks. And remember, if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can properly plan your thumbnails and script your videos to grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link in the description below this video. Now, inconsistent branding confuses your audience. Using the same color, fonts, and styles builds recognition. Plus, instead of repeating your video title in the thumbnail, spark curiosity with different wording with a different hook that could also reel them in. Save yourself time. In Canva, create a thumbnail template with your brand colors. Replace long titles with intrigue. Remember the 5-minute hack? Yeah, use that instead of this 5-minute hack that will get you more views. Branded, curiosity-driven thumbnails build trust, stand out, and get more views fast. Creating great thumbnails does not need to be time-consuming or stressful. With Canva and these 5 quick rules, you can make professional, clickable thumbnails in under 5 minutes. No designer needed. Remember, every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are right now, with a single video and a willingness to keep improving. You absolutely have what it takes to do this. Stick with it, apply these hacks, and you will be surprised at how quickly your channel can grow. And remember, if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can properly plan your thumbnails and script your videos to grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link in the description below this video. Now that you know how to create a scroll-stopping thumbnail in just 5 minutes, you might be wanting to know what you should do if YouTube is not recommending your videos. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned to what is in this video, it is way more powerful. See you in the next video.